Introducing the cassowary, one of the world's largest and most deadly birds, with a vital role to play in the rainforest ecosystem. The cassowary's favourite habitat is along the low-lying coastal rainforests of Australia's wet tropics, Papua New Guinea and West Papua. The most common and largest of the species is the southern cassowary, growing to a height of 1.8 metres. While emus are slightly taller, the cassowary is much heavier and incredibly strong. Combined with long dagger-sharp claws, these frightening features are used to the cassowary's advantage. Their powerful legs move faster than most humans, while their kicks can crush bones and cause serious injury or death. As omnivores, they aren't picky eaters and enjoy a diet of plants, animals, and sometimes each other's droppings. Those droppings also play an important role in the rainforest ecosystem, dispersing seeds as they forage, some from plants that would not continue to exist otherwise. These seeds come from their favourite food of fruits and berries. If dinner can't be found on the forest floor, they use their powerful legs to jump up and pick fruit above them. Their helmets, or casques, contain a spongy honeycomb-type material that is coated in keratin, the same substance human fingernails are made of. The purpose of this feature is quite a mystery. The male cassowary is rare in the bird world. He is left in charge of incubating the chicks and does not leave the nest for at least 50 days, not even to eat or drink. The Australian southern cassowary is listed as endangered. Habitat loss, feral and domestic animals, and car strikes are all major threats. You can help protect this amazing animal. Keep domestic animals secure and out of cassowary habitat. Drive carefully, and don't hand feed them.